Welcome to Follow Me Lab. Today we are going to learn how to scan, read QR code images using OnBarcode QR Code Reader library. OnBarcode Barcode library supports QR code, data matrix, code 128, EAN or UPC and other 20-plus 2D, 1D barcode reading and scanning in Visual Studio.NET application. I've already added OnBarcode QR Code Scanner library DLL to our Visual Basic console project reference and installed system.drawing.common NuGet package through NuGet Package Manager. In this tutorial, we will try to scan and read the QR code data from these image files. So let's go ahead and go to the program VB file. Hi there, let me walk you through this VB.NET code in a friendly, easy to follow way. This is a simple VB.NET console application that uses the OnBarcode library to scan and decode QR codes from image files. First, we import the OnBarcode.Barcode Scanner namespace, which gives our program all the built-in tools needed to read barcodes. The code runs inside a module named Program, and the main method serves as the entry point where all the scanning operations start. The first part of the code performs a quick, basic scan of a standard QR code. It uses the scan method, targets an image containing a QR code, and stores all the decoded data in a string array. Then it loops through the results and prints the barcode data to the debug output so you can clearly view the extracted information. Next, the code scans a rotated QR code. Even though the QR code is placed at an angle instead of being upright, the library automatically detects and decodes it accurately. It uses the same scanning method and QR code type, then outputs the successful scan results just like the first example. Then the program scans a colored and custom-styled QR code. This QR code uses non-standard colors instead of the typical black and white design, but the scanner can still accurately read and decode the barcode data. The scanning process remains the same, and the decoded data is printed correctly to the debug output. The final section scans a QR code with a logo embedded in the center. Even with a logo overlaying part of the code, the scanner still reliably reads and decodes the full data. The process stays consistent, and valid barcode data is successfully outputted. This program is practical and comprehensive. It tests 4 common real-world scenarios for QR codes: standard, rotated, colored custom style, and with a centered logo, and all are scanned with strong reliability. So let's run the VB application and see the scanned barcode data output. First, we review the standard QR code image. It features a normal, upright, black and white QR code with default styling, and the program successfully scanned and decoded it to get complete barcode data. Next, we review the rotated QR code image. This image has a QR code that is rotated at an angle, which is different from the upright standard QR code, and the application still recognized it successfully and obtained accurate barcode data. Then, we review the colored custom-style QR code image. This image uses a custom color scheme instead of traditional black and white, which is visually different from the previous QR codes, and the program successfully scanned and decoded it with full accuracy. Finally, we review the QR code image with an embedded logo. This image has a logo placed in the center of the QR code, which is structurally different from the other versions, and the program successfully detected and decoded it, retrieving the correct and complete barcode data without any issues. That's all for today. Thanks for your listening.